Did I miss the plane? It's never too late to catch your study abroad dream. Ever feel like you missed the bus, train, boat, or in this case, the plane, to your dream university? Deadlines flew past, grades and scores didn't land where you wanted, and time slipped away while you were busy surviving life. If that's you, take a deep breath. You are not alone. Sure, some things didn't go so as planned, but that doesn't mean the journey is over. Let's explore the most common misses and how you can still turn things around. Missed deadlines? Is there a way to still get in? Miss the application deadline and feeling like your dream is grounded? Don't worry. A lot of universities have rolling admissions or deferred intakes. Instead of a strict cutoff, these schools or colleges accept students throughout the year. You can also look for spring or winter intakes if the fall deadline has passed. Another pro tip: reach out to admission officers directly. Some schools or colleges offer extended deadlines if you ask nicely and explain your situation. And if all else fails, use this extra time to build a stronger application and apply nearly early next cycle. Missing a deadline isn't the end of your story. It's just a plot twist and a basket full of new opportunities. Miss good grades and scores? Numbers aren't everything. We have all been there. Your grades aren't as high as you hoped, or your standardized test scores like SAT, SAT, GRE, GMAT, TOEFL, IELTS didn't hit the mark. Here is the good news. Many colleges and universities look beyond numbers. If you can show leadership skills, creativity, or volunteering experience, it can fill in the gaps. There is also the option to retake tests if you need a better score. Many universities allow you to submit new results even after your initial application is over. Plus, some programs don't even require scores anymore. Focus on crafting a killer personal statement or essay to highlight your potential. It could be the thing that sets you apart. Missed timeline? Is it too late to start now? Maybe life got in the way. Family commitments, school college stress, or plain old habit of ours, procrastination. The good news is it's never too late to get organized. Create a study abroad timeline with clear goals like research, test preparation, and application milestones, even if you are working on a tight schedule. It's totally doable if you stay focused. Make use of tools like checklists, app, or even mentors to streamline the process. The time you lost can become a lesson in smart planning moving forward. Sometimes delayed dreams end up being even sweeter because they come with more preparation and intention. The key is to start where you are and take it one step at a time. In conclusion, your plane hasn't left without you yet. So you missed a few things along the way, deadlines, grades, or planning. But guess what? That doesn't mean your study abroad dream is out of reach. It's all about pivoting and finding new ways forward. There are always second chances, new opportunities, and alternative paths to success. And you have got this. Just get back on track, and your plane will take off soon again. So you missed the plane? No worries, there is always another flight. Just don't forget to pack your ambition this time. And if you need help organizing your journey, I'm there. I'm Dr. Shayani Das, Study Abroad Success Coach, and you can connect me at connect@studyabroadsuccess.com. Join Study Abroad Success Academy for expert guidance and step-by-step strategies. Your dream destination is just a plan away. And don't miss the upcoming webinar. Let's make every minute count from here onwards. All the best.